This is High Power Cycles, and this little video is going to showcase our XC-1, which is our entry-level dual suspension mountain bike, powered by the Black Lightning motors, the 2500 watt kit, 51 volt battery, 50 amp controller, and it's an awesome little entry-level rig. You have 100 millimeters of suspension travel in the front and 4.2 inches in the rear, and does everything well. We have a nice little clean install. Here's on-off switch. Go ahead and turn it on. It is on, I guess. Let's see. Here's the motor. Accepts disc brakes and 9-speed freewheels. This bike has an 8-speed freewheel, but we can accept up to 9-speed freewheels, so 27-speed bikes. Yeah, front and rear discs. And just going to showcase a little bit of the power of the Black Lightning motor. This bike is capable of going on 40 miles an hour, unassisted, and it can climb hills. Awesome. You don't even have to pedal. Look at that. It can do everything well. It's really fun. Off-road only because federal limit mandates in the U.S. top speed is about 20 miles an hour. Fast. Okay, we're gonna do a little top speed run with Derek. Derek is about a 215-pound rider or so you should be able to accelerate faster if you don't weigh that much. And top speed on this 2500 watt Black Lightning kit is about 40 miles per hour. Really fast, designated for off-road use only. And hopefully pretty soon he should be coming. Here he comes. I'd say that was probably, I don't know, 35 or so. The last 5 miles an hour takes a little bit of a run up to get the full 40 miles an hour, but really fast, really fun. Okay, we're with the Black Lightning 2500 watt kit. We're gonna do a little hill climb. All right, whenever you're ready. You don't even need to pedal. Cool. Should we go down there? I don't know if that's pretty dang steep.
He's going down it.
Alright, if you want to try to go down. Careful on the brakes. Make sure you have your front brake working too. A little impromptu run down a really steep hill by Derek. Go! Here's Derek pedaling along with the motor. Or not, pedaling. Pretty steep grade. I guess he didn't even need to pedal. The cool thing about that motor is it completely freewheels, so even if you don't use a motor, it feels completely like a normal bike. You feel no resistance from the motor. Yeah, Derek.